G'day guys, well today we've got something a bit different on the bench. As you can see here, we have a laser engraving machine from Shenzhen Algo Technologies Co Limited. They also go by the name of Algolaser, okay? Now what they've sent me here is their Alpha 20 watt laser engraver. Connect it to a PC if you wish to, or any wireless device via Bluetooth, apps and USB or Wi-Fi connectivity. So anyway guys, you know, I've never used a laser engraver before. I am very new to this sort of technology. So what we're going to do today is just show you exactly what we get with the Alpha 20 watt laser engraver. And in a follow-up video, once I get used to using the actual machine itself, I will show you some projects that I've made out of it. Now, as you can see on the top here, we have this smaller box which houses the integrated air pump, which is to be fitted to the machine itself. And what this does is it's designed to remove any smoke or small debris from the working area, ensuring that the machine runs effectively and efficiently. So anyway, let's have a quick look at what we get in the box, guys, and how it's packaged. So as you can see here, we have some documentation to start off with. So let's start off with this card. Okay, a bit of a greeting card there by the look of it, and on the back here there's just a bit of a greeting message from the actual the owner of the company. Okay, so we'll put that aside. Over here we have the laser engraving user manual. All right, so we'll pop that out. Let's have a look at this documentation here. So first off, we've got a card here showing Algolaser's social media. So I'll go and drop all them in the description below, as well as their customer support webpage there, so you can actually reach them on there, and some more information on the back. So here's a quick start guide. I'm definitely going to have to read through this and follow all the steps. So showing the contents here before you start, machine assembly and how to use. Very nice magazine here basically. All right. So it goes through in a couple of different languages there. There's all the parts that come in the box that we'll have a look at in a minute. Okay, there's a laser module. Got some consumables here as well to start our projects. And yeah, here's a step-to-step guide in different steps here to assemble the machine. So definitely going to be following all this. So yeah, pretty easy to follow instructions here, all diagrammed, or actually they're real photos taken of the actual installation process. It's really good. And your how to use section as well, okay? So yeah, some more information about how to use it here with the software. All right, so definitely gonna have a read through that. Now here we have some consumables to get us started. So let's have a look. Just drop these on the bench. Okay, so we do have some cable ties here to be used when tidying up the wires, and we've got some Velcro there as well. We have some little acrylic cards here. Okay, a thicker piece of acrylic as a test piece. Another thinner piece of acrylic there, as you can see, and a couple of pieces of wood here, some MDF board, and it looks like we've got a reflective test piece of aluminium here as well, and a small little brush here for cleaning and dusting off the laser. So yeah, that's pretty neat that they give you a consumables package so you can get started with getting familiar with the machine and doing some test pieces. We also have another thin board here. This is probably to place the test pieces on, I imagine. Okay, so let's take this foam out. And as you can see, some of the assembly pieces are here in front of me. So we've got, looks like to be the front, just here. Okay, and that's got the actual control board, as well as a fan, Wi-Fi antenna just there, and the wiring. Okay. We also have the emergency stop button just here, a lock, because you do get a set of keys with this, and the power on and off button just there. All right, so here's another one of the sides here. Looks like it's pretty well constructed. We have the power brick just there. So it's a 100 to 240 volt. Okay. We also have the power lead to connect to the power brick. Obviously I've got the Australian adapter there, or plug. What we've got here, we've got the USB to C-type cable. And here we've got some PPE, personal protective equipment. Okay, so we've got some safety glasses here, and as you can see they're tinted orange. So these are specifically designed to use with the laser engraving machine, so you don't damage your eyes. So it's really important to have this included. And lastly, on this top layer of foam in the box, we have the hardware. Okay, just there. And the little keys are in here as well. A set of keys there, which I showed you goes on that lock on the front panel. Little wrenches and tools, okay, and all the hardware, all the screws and bolts to go in. All right, there's some couplings there as well. All right, I'll just chuck those keys back in there. Don't want to lose those. Comes in a neat little case. Okay, so under this little foam panel, I can't actually pull it out because it's under the second layer of foam here, but this is the 20 watt laser module itself. Okay, so as you can see, there's a tip of the laser. All right, so let me just get this layer of foam out, the second layer, and we'll have a look at what's left in the box here. All right guys, so this is at the bottom of the box. I'm not actually going to take it out because, you know, we've got things connected. So I'm just going to take it out when I assemble this laser engraver machine together. But we can see we've got the other two side panels, okay, of the framework. And we also have the motor extension rod there, the belt that drives it, and the actual Y-axis of the actual assembly itself. So this one here will be moving, you know, the laser module around. We're engraving our project. So I'm not going to take it out. Like I said, I'm going to put the machine together now. Okay, I'm going to follow the steps in that guide, and then we'll come back and we'll have a look at it all assembled. So as you can see on the user manual, it just shows the basic framework, okay, but the way it came packaged is that it's actually pre-assembled. So this side panel here, as you can see, it's got all the wiring all clipped on, okay, to the main Y-axis here. So I've just I've put together with everything on. I'm not going to pull these apart, there's no need. So I've just got everything resting here. I'll put the laser module on its bracket just there. It's got a sliding bracket, so I've got the module just sitting there for now while I work on it, and it just locks in with that lever. Okay, so that's your height adjustment lever as well to the main framework just there. So what I've got to do is button up this rear panel, and then we go on to the next steps. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the whole framework complete, and we've got the Y-axis assembly installed, the laser module fitted as well. So the next step is putting the motor extension shaft on. Okay, now I've pre-installed it here. We've got the two couplings that came in the box. I'll just take one of them off, and as you can see, they just have to join like that. And then I just got to secure them in with those two screws on each one. And that one is installed. Okay, the next step is to tighten the tension up on that screw, and that is for the laser module's belt assembly here. So as you can see, it runs on a belt. So basically you're just tightening up the tension for the belt. Okay, so after you tighten the belt for the laser module axis itself, this center brace, you're going to have to put another couple of screws on each end of the back plate here. Okay, now these are the larger, there's only two of them, these are the larger M416 screws here. So as you can see, I've installed both on both sides. So if you want to increase the tension, go clockwise. If you want to loosen the tension on the belt a bit, just go anti-clockwise. Okay, it's always good to have a little bit of slack. Not too much slack, but a little bit of slack on the belt. So there's the left-hand side belt. Well, actually it's the right hand side, and here is the left. Okay, just there. Just at the back there is where your adjustment for the tension is for each of the belts. It's taken shape now, pretty much done. Just got to install the air pump now. So we've done the tightening of the belt. The rest of the booklet actually shows you how to install the laser shield, which I don't have to do. It's actually already been pre-installed from the factory itself. Okay, but just in case you have to, there's some instruction on how to do so, how to find the focus. Okay, in these pages, and it goes on to about the air assist module, which I've got to fit to this unit. And we've got some maintenance here, so saying please clean the lens after every 30 hours of use or after a long period of inactivity to get rid of any of the dust that might be on the actual lens itself. Okay guys, so here is the air pump. Look at the quick start guide. So let's have a quick look through this. The contents, that's what it looks like. Before you start, everything that we've got there, the air pipe, the air pump itself. Once again, really nice booklet with photos, easy steps to follow. Control air volume switch, very nice, and how to use it. All right guys, and how to use it with the software as well. All right, let's have a look at it. Right, so there's the pump unit itself. Some accessories in there, can't see it, I have to open it up, but anyway guys, there is the unit, there's the control dial for the air volume, all right, and the unit itself. So let's get this one installed. Okay guys, so we are basically done. We've got the air pump connected to the side of the machine here, the Alpha 20 watt. All right, so the air hose goes underneath there, it's routed through here and goes straight to the engraver there, okay, the laser engraver. So that pretty much wraps it up guys. Anyway guys, before I go, I'll just tell you some more specs about this unit. This does have some intelligent safety features, okay. Obviously we've got the emergency stop button here, so you just flick that over and then press it in, okay, and release it, and you can press it in any emergency. You also get a set of keys here to turn it on or off, okay, when not in use. I haven't got this machine connected to power just yet. I've still got the contents of the power cables in the actual box itself. So anyway, it does have some more intelligent safety features that I'll go through quickly. Number one is a flame alert system, so it will detect and prevent fires during the engraving process, which is really important, okay. We've got a lens cleaning reminder, okay, to keep that lens clean, which we went through on the booklet before. It has an air pressure monitoring system, so it will actually regulate and monitor the air pressure from the pump to the actual laser engraver itself. And it also has a bunch of different types of over current, over temp, over voltage protections, short circuit protection, and undercurrent protection. All right guys, so that's basically it. It does come with a 12-month warranty, which is great. And they also have a 24-hour, 5-day-a-week professional customer support team to help you out with any issues with any of their Algolaser laser engraver machines. All right guys, so yeah, 5 days a week, so obviously they're open from Monday to Friday and they have the weekends off. So anyway guys, that'll be it for this video. Just a quick look at the Algolaser 20 watt Alpha laser engraving machine. In the next video I'll show you some of the projects that I've engraved, okay. And yeah, I've just got a bit of a learning curve now to learn how to use this machine correctly and start doing some test pieces. All right guys, so like I said, this is new to me. I'm basically into RC mainly, so just something a bit different for the channel, and I thought I'll share it with you guys. So thanks very much guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.